In this restless, hurried modern world, we took our hearts for pleasure, you and I. And now the white sails of our ship are furled, and spent the lading of our argosy. Wherefore my cheeks before their times are wan, for very weeping is my gladness fled. Sorrow hath paled my lips vermilion, and ruin draws the curtains of my bed. But all this crowded life has been to thee, and no more than lyre or lute or subtle spell of vials or the music